gorgeous Palm Bay home with a pool. This home is elegance personified with formal living and dining spaces, columns, arches, soaring tray ceilings, stylish light fixtures, and features a split bedroom floor plan and approximately 2,204 square feet of living space. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, large pantry, and a cozy breakfast nook. The master bedroom's ensuite includes a double sink, vanity, whirlpool tub, separate shower and his and hers walk-in closets. The two additional bedrooms have wood-look ceramic tile floors and extra storage above their closets. Off the back of the home is a long screen porch that overlooks the privacy-fenced backyard and saltwater pool. The landscaping is pretty and green thanks to a sprinkler system, and the home does include a 2-car garage. Palm Bay is a popular neighborhood close to the Navy base, beaches, shopping, schools, and more. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.